I've lived in Geelong my entire life. I love it. Great family, great friends, and I love my job. I'm Luke Young and I'm a computer engineer. The Freelancer app is great. When I get up, I typically check it, find what type of work that it's been booked in. I'll collect the part, call the customer, organise the time, go on site, replace the part if that's what's actually the issue, and then return the part. When I was younger, I had actually a contractor come out to my house to do some work, and I was so intrigued that I just went out and learned on the job, did training for so long, and then ever since then I've never been back to do a 9-to-5 job. Getting outdoors and meeting new people is great. I don't like to be stuck inside, and working on new technology. I love it. I always get excited working on a new computer I've never worked on before. It's one of the highlights of my job. It's a very flexible job and allows me to have time with my son. We love to go down to the park and go at each other with the Nerf guns. That's a lot of fun. We love to take our dog Buster down to the park for a walk. He's very energetic. We'll get out in the sunshine and stretch legs, get some exercise and spend some time together. In this line of work, you're typically waiting for something to break, but it gives me a great deal of satisfaction being able to fix someone's issue, and knowing that I've done a good job and seeing a smile on their face is really rewarding. The Freelancer app, it's very intuitive, it's not overly complicated, it doesn't take long to set up, and it allows me to choose the work that I want to do at the times that's convenient to me. I would recommend freelancing to others. It allows me to schedule work when it suits me. A lot of my time is spent looking after my son. It allows me to do what I need to do for him. It's a great side hustle and it's not a 9-to-5 job. I would say that anyone that's thinking about signing up to freelancer.com is you've got nothing to lose. It's a great platform. Go for it.